So hi guys, I'm going to show you how to compute grades using an Excel. So let's begin with the written works. So to get the total scores, we're going to compute first the total score, right? So to get the total score, we're going to click equals, then sum, then open parentheses, then click the first cell that contains the first score and drag it down to the last cell that contains the last score. Then close the parentheses, click enter. So next is the percentage score. To get the percentage score, the formula is click equals, in open parentheses, click the total score, add dash, and input the highest possible score of the total score, which is 145. Close the parentheses, then put asterisk. Then you're going to input the highest possible score, which is 100. So which is 100, and that is the highest possible score of percentage score. Don't click enter. Then let's proceed to weighted score. So the formula of weighted score is that equals, click the PS, put asterisk, and then input the highest possible score of weighted score, which is the 30%. 30, and don't forget the percent sign. Click enter. So that's how will you get the weighted score. Now, let's proceed on performance task. Again, repeat the same steps and the same formula. So, equals, then input sum, open parentheses, then click the first cell, drag down to the last cell. Close the parentheses and click enter. Then percentage score. Again, the same formula and the same steps. Click equals, then open the parentheses, click the total score, dash the highest possible score of the highest possible score of the performance task, which is 400. Close the parentheses and add asterisk. Now let's input the highest possible score of percentage score in the performance task, which is 100. Let's move on to weighted score in performance task. So the same step with the same formula. Equals, click the PS, add asterisk, and then input the highest possible score of the weighted score of the performance task, which is the 50%. Click enter. Now, for the quarterly assessment, as you can see, we only have one quarterly assessment, so we don't have to do the total scorings. So um let's begin to the or let's proceed to the percentage score of quarterly assessment. So the same formula, guys, equals, then open parentheses, click the score, a dash, and add the highest possible score, which is a 50. Close the parentheses and add asterisk, and again, input the percentage score, which is the 100, or the highest possible score of the percentage score, which is 100. Next is the weighted score. Again, click equals, then click the percentage score, add asterisk, and the weighted score percentage, which is the 20%. Enter. Now, let's move on to initial grade. To get the initial grade, you have to determine first the weighted score, or which column or cell does the weighted score of quarterly assessment belongs. So click it, and you're going to identify it in AH13. So, we're going to identify it first because in summing up all of the WS or the weighted score in the quarterly assessment, we cannot see it or we cannot click it. So, if for your better understanding, I'm going to show you how and why. So, again, it is in the AH13. So, the formula of it for the initial grade is equals, then sum, or you or delete the sum, directly click the WS in written works, then add plus, then the weighted score and performance task. As you can see, we can't see the weighted score and quarterly assessment. So that's why I ask you to identify first the cell which is or where it belongs. So it belongs to AH13. So you have to capitalize all the letters. AH13. So add enter. So that's how you will get the initial grade. So to identify the quarterly grade, you have to search or you have to get the transmitted grade. So I'm going to show you the table to identify where the initial grade belong. So here it is. So as you can see, we have the initial grade. So the initial grade is 89.43. So 89.43 belongs to 88.80 to 90.39. So the transmitted grade of it is 93. So input 93. So that's all guys, and that's I hope you learned something, and goodbye.